Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Tesla Model 3 door trim. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a plastic pry tool to protect your car's finish, a Torx T30 screwdriver for the securing bolts, and a clip removal tool to safely detach the panel clips. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and help avoid any accidental damage to your vehicle. Let's begin by preparing the door. Fully lower the window to give yourself ample working space. Next, carefully remove the reflector and any small plastic covers that might be hiding screws. You'll then use your Torx T30 screwdriver to remove the 3 bolts that hold the door panel in place. Take your time with each step to ensure a smooth process. Now it's time to detach the panel. Using your plastic pry tool, gently work your way around the edges of the trim panel, carefully prying it outwards to release the clips. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the manual release cable from its lever. Finally, unplug all the electrical harness connectors attached to the panel, ensuring you handle them with care to prevent damage. With all connections free, lift the trim panel upwards to unhook it from the door and set it aside. When you're ready to reassemble, make sure all clips are properly aligned before pressing the panel back into place. This ensures a secure fit and prevents rattles. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite books on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.